how would your go-to-market change after the Splunk acquisition?
So you'll see joint partners and you'll see tons of technical collaborations between the Splunk platform and the Cisco platform.
AI becoming part of the Cisco delivery system?
So AI is fundamental to security. So it's not only using AI to protect customers, how we protect the AI systems themselves. Too many vendors, too many solutions, too many products, just breeds complexity. And complexity is the killer of an effective security policy.
Good afternoon, Simon.
Good afternoon, Rajiv. How are you doing?
We're very good, and we're so happy to have you here.
Look, I'm very happy to be here. Appreciate you taking the time to meet with me.
Yeah. So I think we'll have time when you could address our team also. And there was some questions which were top of our mind, and we thought, we will take some time, get your answers to that.
Perfect.
And then see if, we could modify our own working so that we can go better to the market and take the Cisco products effectively.
Spot on. Happy to dive into any of the conversations you want to have. Happy to see how we can help the proactive and the Cisco teams sell better together.
Thank you so much.
There's so much going on with security right now. To help our teams, to help our channel community, people like yourselves here at Proactive understand how best to go to market, we're really looking at 3 key areas to help secure our combined customer base. So we really want to help customers accelerate their journey into zero trust and help make that simple from a user, from an identity point of view. So that's number 1.
Yeah.
Secondly, securing the network as a platform, using the network to help secure your customer's infrastructure, whilst we also secure the network itself. So north-south, east-west. And then finally, partly after the acquisition of Splunk, and I'm sure we'll come on to that, but simplifying how customers can engage in a SOC, even building one themselves, or engaging services out of a managed SOC service.
Right. So how would your go-to-market change after the Splunk acquisition?
So that's a really good question. And Splunk is absolutely pivotal to how we go to market and how we help secure our customer base. In terms of the actual go-to-market, we're absolutely running with Splunk partners, running with Cisco partners. It's business as usual right now. But certainly you'll see a combination of both coming together. And we're really accelerating that journey. So you'll see joint partners and you'll see tons of technical collaborations between the Splunk platform and the Cisco platform. And that's key for how we can simplify that journey into the SOC that we spoke about previously.
Yeah.
And there's a huge upside for our customers when they engage a Cisco partner with Splunk skills or vice versa.
Great. And how do we see AI becoming part of the Cisco delivery system?
So AI is fundamental to security. And we all know this and we all talk about it, and people play bingo with how many times vendors and the security community talks about AI.
Yeah.
But looking at how we've introduced AI to make security better. So if we look at the AI assistants that we've delivered across a number of our technologies, and having commonality in how we've been able to do that, so that it's easier for customers to engage with our security products, doing it in natural language, and easier for people like yourselves, for Proactive, to deliver really effective security systems for your customers. So that's on one side. But at the same time, you'll see how we're looking at protecting AI. So it's not only using AI to protect customers, but how we protect the AI systems themselves.
Okay.
And you would probably have seen our acquisition of Robust Intelligence to help us do exactly that.
Yeah.
So there's a number of ways that we have to, as a community, we have to look at AI in security. Very well.
So I had a question. What are the most prominent cybersecurity threats that we are seeing now?
The threat landscape probably hasn't changed too much. However, the threats are becoming more prevalent and they're becoming easier to engage. So you can look at email as a threat vector, you can look at end users like ourselves in the threat vectors, we often make mistakes.
Yeah.
There are so many different angles and avenues in for bad actors. Key to that is providing an effective security platform. So you really try and stop any angles in. And making it simple is about making it most effective. Too many vendors, too many solutions, too many products just breeds complexity. And complexity is the killer of an effective security policy. So simplification is key.
How would Cisco implement Zero Trust?
Sure. Zero Trust is really interesting in that Zero Trust is it's a strategy, it's a policy, it's a frame of reference. It's not technology and it's not a product.
Mm-hmm.
And Cisco is consistent in how we see that and consistent in how we want to take that to market through channel partners, through proactive. Key to that is looking at how we can extend the capabilities of Duo in particular, and appreciate that it's so much more than just a multi-factor authentication technology. Looking at how that implements your policy for end users, for devices, for access, and bringing identity into that conversation, and using that to really help consolidate the number of identity providers you've got, and ensuring that they're consistent with the policy that you want to put in place alongside your customer base.
So your ICE and Duo will be core to Zero Trust.
Absolutely. I'm really glad that you brought up ICE. The identity services really stands as a foundational point for secure networking. For identifying who you are or what you are as a device and where you're supposed to go and what you're allowed to access, and then carrying that information through a number of other tools and systems within the Cisco portfolio that allow you to build a Zero Trust policy. You can't go and buy Zero Trust. You've got to build that policy and have the elements to enable it to take place. So that's a really good call out.
So is Cisco planning to be a security solution provider for the entire security market, or is it that you would prefer to focus on certain segments?
So our view of our role is to create the best technology, create the best platform, and make that available and democratize the access to all of those security tools, regardless of whether you're public sector, regardless of whether or not you're a bank, regardless of whether or not you're a small company running multiple shops. Our job is to make the most effective tools and make them effective through proactive, so that you in turn can take them to market to bring the same technical capability that would protect high enterprise all the way down to a small or medium business.
I think, Simon, we are very excited about the security portfolio and the changes that we are seeing Cisco is bringing in, and for sure we will be right on top to take these products to the market and give the best solution to our customers.
I've got absolute confidence that Proactive will do exactly that. I've got full confidence that you will be able to protect your customer base in the most effective way. And I think there's a huge opportunity for us to do that together. And together we can secure your customers and make them more effective at operating in their own world.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming over, and we're glad to have you with us.